Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Artisan Pallet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful hand painted jewelry set. So let's get started. For this we need Shilpkar or polymer clay, some acrylic paints, some plastic beads, some thread beads, some colorful threads, jump ring, scissor, plier and some paint brushes. So let's get started. Now here is our main element, our module clay or Shilpkar. When you open this packet, you can see these two packets inside it. One is resin and one is hardener. I am going to use some talcum powder so it can't stick on my hand. Mix those very well until you get a white mixture. And when the clay is ready, it looks like this. Making a small dough with it and then flat it by using your palm. Now here I am using a round shape container lid to make it a round shape. After that I am taking a paper knife and cut it into a rectangle shape. Now here I am making a hole with this bamboo skewer. Similarly, I create all these shapes. After the whole thing is dry, I am going to use some acrylic paint to paint it. project is done for today. Hope you like it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and supporting Artisan Pallet. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you want to know anything about this video, then please give a comment in the comment section. See you next time. Until, have a really great day.